Ever felt confident writing a long answer, only to find you missed a crucial part of the question? In this lecture, you will learn how to tackle complex exam prompts that hide multiple tasks in one sentence. We'll show you how to break these questions down logically, identify all the required components, and stay focused on what earns marks. Moreover, we will also learn how to avoid a common trap: writing more than necessary. Learning to spot and prioritize only what the examiner is asking for helps you save time, reduce stress, and deliver sharper, more targeted answers. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to break down long or multi-part questions into manageable steps, identify which parts of a question carry marks, learn how to avoid both incomplete and over-detailed answers. Why long questions trip students up? Examiners often pack multiple tasks into a single complex sentence, and under pressure, many students either answer only part of the question or write too much, trying to cover every possible angle. Both approaches can hurt your score. You risk losing easy marks or wasting valuable time on information that isn't being asked for. Example: explain 2 reasons for the company's decline and suggest one way it could recover. This question contains 3 separate tasks. Explain reason 1, explain reason 2, provide 1 recovery suggestion. If you only explain the reasons and skip the suggestion, you've left the question incomplete and lost marks for something you could have easily included. Step-by-step breakdown strategy. To avoid missing key tasks or wasting time on unnecessary detail, use this simple strategy to break the question down before you start writing. Step 1. Read the full question twice. Don't rush. The first read gives you the general idea, but it's usually the second read that reveals the finer details, like extra tasks or conditions you might miss under pressure. Step 2. Highlight the task words. Look for command words like explain, evaluate, suggest, justify, or phrases like with examples. These are your instructions. They tell you how to answer, not just what to talk about. Step 3. Count the parts. Ask yourself, how many things is this question asking me to do? Write numbers in the margin if needed, 1, 2, 3, to make sure you hit every element. Step 4. Plan before you write. Even a quick 30-second outline keeps your answer focused. Ask yourself, what's part A? What's part B? Do I need to include examples, evidence, or definitions? A short plan saves time in the long run and protects you from losing marks for incomplete answers. Example. Question: discuss the advantages of solar energy for rural areas and evaluate its long-term sustainability. Breakdown. Task 1. Discuss the advantages of solar energy for rural areas. Task 2. Evaluate long-term sustainability. Needs judgment. If you only talk about advantages and forget to evaluate sustainability, you're giving a 50% answer. Common pitfalls. Answering what you want to say, not what was actually asked. Forgetting part 2 or 3 of a multitask question. Repeating information just to fill space weakens your clarity and wastes time. Diving straight into writing without planning your structure. Do this instead. Pause after reading to mentally break down the question. Rephrase the question in simpler language to check your understanding. Turn long questions into a quick checklist to stay focused. Define the problem. Give 2 reasons. Suggest 1 solution. The best answers don't just show knowledge, they match the structure and intent of the question. Breaking down long prompts into smaller tasks makes you avoid common mistakes and write answers that are complete, focused, and high-scoring.